Following the 4-day-long, one-of-a-kind virtual edition of the 8th Eastern Himalayan Naturenomics Forum 2020 that brought together global leaders and experts to discuss the theme of Ecology is Economy, the Balipara Foundation presented the 8th edition of the Balipara Foundation Awards in Guwahati. The 8th Balipara Foundation Awards recognize the extraordinary visionaries of the Eastern Himalayas and their indomitable contribution who continue to live in harmony with nature and to adopt sustainable methods for greening the economy. Bringing together the award winners in a virtual theatre, the event began with words of encouragement from the son of Assam, Adil Hussain, Indian actor, who meditated on the beauty of the region's natural heritage and the dedication of the earth heroes who work tirelessly to preserve it. This year, the Balipara Foundation launched 2 Lifetime Service Awards celebrating national and international achievements. This year's international award was given to Tintin Saw from Myanmar, who started community forestry in her village to stop illegal logging and mining for construction. With her tireless efforts, a total of 61 community forestry members involved in environmental conservation activities at her village, Pinhe village, in Kachin state of Myanmar. The National Lifetime Service Award went to Dr. Parimal Chandra Bhattacharjee, a respected academic and a retired professor of Guwahati University, Assam. He pioneered many wetland studies, primatology and biodiversity studies across northeast India, becoming a mentor to many leading figures in conservation in northeast India today. This year's annual Balipara Foundation Awards jointly went to Trinity, Saioo and to Association for Environmental Preservation, Mizoram, for work in organic farming and conservation action for wildlife respectively. From a modest start in 2003 with 25 other farmer women, Saioo's self-help group Farmer Collective has now grown to around 800 women farmers in Meghalaya, all of whom farm organically and cultivate Lakatong turmeric. Meanwhile, the Association for Environmental Preservation, Mizoram, has been working towards creating awareness and taking action towards wildlife and biodiversity conservation. From carrying out activities that would advocate for conservation, the organization also works towards developing plans to address matters of ecological restoration through sustainable development.